Okay, this is our lesson today. Stephanie, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Especially Milky Way class, yeah, Milky Way class. This is the first time. So we still study about header, footer, footnote, and endnote. Our learning objective, yeah, this is very important. I must read and I inform to you, yeah, learning objective tujuan pembelajaran kita today, yeah, about header, footer, footnote, and endnote. So after learning process today, I hope you understand how to create, how to make header, footer, footnote, and endnote. This is, we use application, yeah. This application is Microsoft Word. We use Microsoft Word. Okay, students. Before I continue to the next slide, I remind you we have assignment, yeah. This one. Okay. So just now I already tell you, yeah, if you have computer or laptop, you can do it directly now. Yeah. Please type a simple text about the computer. Yeah, look at this kid. Be focused, yeah. Be focused. Okay. Please type a simple text about the computer, and the text is up to you. Yeah. The text up to you. You can make a 1, 2, 3, 5 lines, ya. Up to you ya, kid. Boleh mau berapa baris saja, ya, up to you. Then make header, footer on that page. After that, save the file by your name and send it to my WhatsApp or email. Ya. Wow, this is the deadline. Deadline on Friday, ya. On Friday, 30 July, ya. This is wrong. Sorry for typing error this. Ya. This is 30 July 2021. Understand about your assignment? If you don't understand, let me know.
Understand, sir.
Understand. Glenn, wow. Glenn, how are you, Glenn? Long time not see you. Show me your video.
What, sir?
Wow. Glenn. I miss you, Glenn. Okay, can you explain? What is your assignment, Vincent?
Type simple about the computer, sir.
Yeah. And then?
With header and footer.
Yeah, you must make header, footer, yeah, on your page. How to make it? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Please see the next explanation. Okay, before I give this link, yeah, you can watch this video also how to make a footer, header, and also this is about footnote and note. You can click this one later, and then you can follow the step by step to make header, footer, footnote, and endnote. But later we directly practice in Microsoft Word. Okay, this is header kit. What is header? The definition of header is the text that appears at the top margin of every page. Yeah. Rafael? Hi, Rafael. Can you hear me, Rafael? Rafael?
Yes, sir.
Do you know in Bahasa this one appears? You don't know?
No, sir.
Okay. Students, who knows? Okay, Stephanie. Stephanie, please, Stephanie.
Muncul, sir.
Muncul. Okay, very good, Stephanie. Okay. Stephanie, ya. Okay, I give you pointnya, Stephanie. Muncul. Okay, so header is the text that appears, ya, teks yang muncul di top margin, paling atas, margin pembatas kertas, you know that ya. Ya, jadi di pembatas kertas paling atas di setiap halaman, that is header. Header from head, you know head, Kalista? You know this? Head, header. Header adalah dari kata head. Head posisi, where is the position of head? On, where is Christo? On top, ya, on top. So header on top, ya, on top margin. How to make header? Click insert. Yeah, look at this. Insert plus header. You can see this one. Yeah, insert and then header. And have option here. You can choose one of them. Yeah, you can choose one of them. Up to you. Yeah, choose. After you choose, after that you can click atau type your header. Bisa diketik headernya apa yang mau kamu buat. So this header text that appear on the top every page ya. Jadi setiap halaman nanti ada dia headernya. Okay, how about footer? You can see this one. Footer. Yeah, same ya. Is the text that appear at the bottom. Yeah, this is the difference. Perbedaannya di sini, Kid. Just now footer, if header on top, if footer on at the bottom. You know foot, can it be?
Kaki.
Yeah. Foot, where is the position of the foot? Button.
Down.
Ya, di bawah ya, Kid. Jadi, button margin of every page. Jadi, dia juga muncul di setiap halaman paling bawah. Itu kalau footer. How to make it? Insert and then footer. You can see this one. Yeah, insert, footer, and then have option also. You can choose one of them. I think so simple, yeah. Okay, now we continue to the footnotes. Yeah. Footnotes is a comment printed at the bottom. Ya, same ya, Kid, because foot. Ya, jadi comment tercetak yang paling bawah juga nanti at the bottom of the page. Ya, which give extra information about something that has been written on that page. Ya, extra information. Extra information here, ya, informasi tambahan ya, Kid, tentang sesuatu, about something that has been written on that page. Ya, later we practice directly ya, supaya lebih paham ya, Kid. How to create, how to make a footnote. You can click reference plus insert footnote. Yeah, have in there like this one, reference and then insert footnote. So have here the small number. Yeah, small number. Okay, we continue. Add note. This is the last, Kid. This is the last. Add note is a citation of source which are given at the end of the document. Ya, sumber ya, sumber atau kutipan ya, kutipan yang diberikan pada akhir dokumen tersebut. How to make it? Click reference and then insert endnote. Same with footnote ya, same in reference and then insert endnote. If footnote in here ya. Okay, before we practice directly, sebelum kita praktek in Microsoft Word, have question? Angelo, please Angelo.
Sir,
Yes.
endnote dan footnote kita masukkan juga ke PR kita.
Wow, thank you, Angelo. But better if you speak English, Angelo. Can you try speak English? Angelo, can you repeat? Sure.
The endnote and footnote also we insert in our homework.
Wow, thank you. Very good. Yeah. If you can make it, yeah, it's better. Yeah, it's better. But just now in the text, yeah, the assignment, I make just only footer and header. That's right, Angelo?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now, if you can make also footnote and endnote, wow, that's very good. I will give you the highest score. Understand?
Understand, sir.
Okay. Review, yeah, this is a review, small, simple review, yeah. The header and footer. You can read this text and I hope you can also memorize it. Dihafal-hafal ya kid, because this is very important text, ya. This is review or bisa kita buat in bahasa kesimpulan juga, ya, kesimpulan the lesson today, ya, about header, footer, and how to insert header, footer, and also how to insert footnote, endnote, and what is the definition of them. Apa definisi mereka, semua di sini ada gitu. Okay, I hope you memorize it. Okay, student, we continue to the next. That is practice directly in Microsoft Word. Okay, I open Microsoft Word, ya. One, okay. Fokus ya, kid. I type computer. Yeah. Who want to give the text about computer? Okay, you can speak directly.
My computer is Windows 10.
Okay. My computer is Windows 10. Okay, and then who want again? I will type it. Only this? Unmute lah, Vincent. I cannot hear you. Oh, enough. Enough, yeah. Okay. Computer is very important for today. Okay, this is the example. The example, yeah. This is I make bulk, I make in center. Okay. And then now we want to make header first. Header, yeah. Okay, who still remember how to make header? Okay, I will give you point if you know the step.
Insert header.
Okay, insert header. Okay, Vincent, yeah. Insert header. Okay, insert. Click this one, insert. Header, this one, yeah, click. Click. Okay, student, I remind you again, yeah, I remind you again, if you have laptop now, you have computer, you can turn on, you can follow me the step. So after finish, you can send the assignment to me directly. Kan easy, ya kan? Okay. Student, header. Choose which one do you want? Up to you. The example, kid. I choose this one. Yeah, bandit. I choose. Already have here. You click here. Click. Yeah, this have header, yeah, kid. Header. You click here, kid. You click here. And then type. Type. You can type here the example.
Sir.
Yeah, Aldiano.
Microsoft Word kan, sir?
Yeah, Microsoft Word. Yeah, Microsoft Word, Aldiano. Yeah. The example I want make the header computer subject. Example, yeah. Okay. If you want to make this bar, you can make it. If you want to make it bigger, you can click here, choose the size. If you want to make the other color, can. Okay. Ready, ya kid? Computer subject. After that, if you want to go to this area, you can double click here. Double click di sini, kid. Double click di sini boleh. Or you can click design and close this. Close header footer. Example, I click close. But in design, ya kid, design, close. Already, this is header. Just now, the definition of header is the text appear on top margin in every page. In every page, ya, di setiap halaman. The example, kid. You want to, this is what page this, Aldiano? You can see this one.
Page 1 of 1, sir.
Okay, page 1 of 1. I make 2 page, ya. Saya buat sampai 2 halaman. I enter, kid. Enter. You can see this 1 of 2. That's right. This is page 2. Ya, already page 2. Automatically, ya, kid. Secara otomatis, ya, kid. Page 2 sudah ada juga headernya. Because just now we know header is text appear on top margin in every page, di setiap halaman. Okay. Now we continue to make footer. Okay, footer. Who want help me? The step to make footer.
Sir, berarti kita bikin 2 link ya, sir?
2
link gitu ya, sir? 2.
Kalista, I don't understand what you mean. 2 apa, Kalista?
Maksud saya, sir, kita ngirimnya kan nanti misalnya saya ngirim di WhatsApp itu satu folder itu berarti udah 2 lembar dari footer sama header, sir.
Ya, one page, Kalista, one page, satu halaman, can make header and can make footer. Satu halaman, one page, ya. Ya. Jadi only one, ya, one file, satu file aja. Inside, di dalam itu udah ada footer dan juga header. Nanti can also, satu halaman you can make footnote and endnote also. Look at, ya. This is, we continue to make footer, ya. We continue. Just now header, this one, ya, header. Letter footnote here, kid. In here, sini footnote. At the bottom, ya. Okay. Who want to answer how to make footer? What we click? What will we click? Hello? Who want to answer?
Referensi.
Yeah, who want? Kalista. What we click, Kalista, to make footer?
Referensi.
Not footnote, footer. Not footnote, yeah, footer.
Insert footer.
Okay, Angelo, ya. Insert footer. Wow, so fast, ya. Insert footer. Okay, Angelo. Okay, please focus on your screen. Look at insert, like say Angelo say, yeah. Say insert footer. Click this one, and then we choose. Example, I want this. I choose this one. Up to you, ya kid. You choose one of them. I choose this one. Okay, look at. Dia secara otomatis ya, Kid, at the bottom, di bawah dia, Kid, di bawah dia di sini. Nah, you can type here, up to you. You can directly type, secara langsung kamu ketik. The example, Tuesday, ya, Tuesday, 27 July 2021. Okay. After that, you can double click here if you want to get out from this footer, or you can click this one, close header and footer. Okay, I choose double click here, yeah. Already. Okay, this one header, and we can see the footer. Look at footer head. We try to see in page 2. Have also, yeah. Kid, this is page 2, yeah. So easy, yeah, Angelo, yeah, to make header and footer. That's right.
Sir,
Okay.
sir,
Oh yeah, Angelo.
how to make the header in page 1 and page 2 different?
Wow. You already try? Make itu di odd sama ganjil genap, ya. This one. Angelo, you can see this one. Different, odd and even page. Yeah, you can see that. I mean bigger, yeah.
Sir.
This one. Different, odd and even page, yeah. Oke, I undo ya, Kit. Saya undo tadi dah hilang apanya. Oke.
Sir, kalau misalnya kita hanya satu page bisa kan, Sir?
Can Kalista. Only make one page. Can, ya, can. So you can make one page. The important one, you make header and footer. And just now Angelo asked, sir, how about footnote and endnote? Wow, very good if you make it. Example, now we continue to make footnote. Yeah, look at this. The example we want to make in where? Important, yeah, important, yeah. We want to make footnote here, kid. Yeah, I make bigger, ya, saya perbesar. Okay, the example in here, computer is very important, yeah, important. We want to make footnote in this one, in this text. Don't forget, ya, to put your cursor in here. Jadi letakkan kursornya di sini, kid. Okay, and then what we click, who still remember? Okay, how to make footnote? The step. I will give point for you if you can answer.
Reference footnote.
Wow, hello again, yeah. Reference and this. What is this?
Insert footnote.
Insert footnote. Okay.
Note.
I will give you point again. Okay, don't forget put your cursor here. And then reference, insert footnote. Okay, have number. automatically ya, secara otomatis. Ya, look at in here have also number, small number ya, number 1, because this is the first time we make the footnote. Ya, later if we make again number 2 ya. Okay, we won't type here the example important. Ya, we make kita buat aja persamaannya ya. Penting ya, sangat penting sekali. Okay. You can, if you move your mouse pointer here, you can see the text. Look at that. What is this? What is that, Evelyn? You can read. What is that, Evelyn? You cannot see this one, the text, footnote. Oh, Angela, you can read.
Sangat penting.
Okay, so if you want to know the text of the footnote, you can move your mouse pointer here, so you can read the text, yeah. Or you can also drop down this one. You can move down here. Okay, we make one more. The example to what we make, yeah. This one. Insert footnote. 10. Okay. Question here. Sir, why number 1? Like that.
Yes, sir. Why number 1 in the 10 and the important number 2?
Yeah, because according to the line, look at the line. The line number 1, I like computer. Number 2, my computer is Windows 10. And number 3, computer is very important. So according to the line, yeah. If we make here, yeah, look at number 3. Oke, jadi about numbering, komputer ya, sistem komputer yang mengatur ya, Kit. Oke, that about footnote. Now we continue about endnote yang terakhir ini, Kit. We have 5 minutes more ya. We want to make, like. Kita buat di like sini ya, Kit. Like, reference, and insert endnote. Look at this. We make love, ya. Can see here, this is no number but letter I. If we make here letter here double I, insert endnote. Look at that, double I. Look at. Okay, students, I think so easy our lesson today. Just make footnote, endnote, header, and footer. So you can do it now, your assignment. After that, you can send to my WhatsApp or email. Have question, Kit, about footnote, endnote, header, and footer? This is, sir, why header, endnote in page 2? You don't ask me. Yeah, I want to explain to you ya, because tadi kan endnote itu adalah kutipan sumber daripada teks dokumen ya. Jadi dia position, the position is in the last of page. If we make only one page ya, so this is moved to the first page ya. Okay, I erase page 2 ya, Kid. Saya hapus page 2. Ya, look at this. only page 1 of 1. So the position of endnote ya in here. Dia di akhir daripada teks. Endnote ya. Catatan akhir. Jadi di akhir teksnya. But if we make until 3 page, the example ya. Now look at 3 page. You can see this one. Jadi dia di halaman terakhir gitu. Jadi endnote. Okay, students, if you understand, if you know how to create header, footer, footnote, and endnote, you can do it after Zoom. So you can send your assignment today to my WhatsApp or email. If you cannot send today, I wait until Friday, 30 July 2021.